So the last part is just to say, well, that's fun that it's all working in one dimension, but let's make it 2 dimensions. And so if you go back to like the Planetoids video, you remember all the different modifications we did to get it to go in 2 dimensions. And so basically everywhere that there's some sort of something written in the code for X, we have to mimic that for Y.
For Y.
So let's go ahead and do that. I don't know if we'll fast forward to this part. I don't know. To music. See how fast we do. Well.
Oh geez, I probably can't do this very fast. Okay.
See if you can try to fly around the blob.
Okay, yeah, so I should not have collided with that.
Yeah, so
because I went way above
that's not working. Why don't we show them one more time? So if you can drag this thing, you see where this vertical thing? If you drag that to the left, let's just show them one more time. It's tricky to get it, but there's a little, if you get it in exactly the right spot. No. There you go, see it?
Oh, that thing.
There you go.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so go ahead and play it and see what happens when you try to fly around the blob.
Okay, right, so if I just try and go above it. So it hits, so it's like, I think it's because it's only looking at the x-coordinates, and the x-coordinates matched up, but the y ones didn't. Yeah,
so let's look at that part of the code. So the problem is that we're colliding when we shouldn't be colliding, right? So the problem has to do with this if statement. The if statement only cares about what the x positions of the rocket and the blob are. And so if those x positions are close to each other, it'll trigger a collision, even if the y positions are all different.
Does JavaScript, like, does it do the and symbol, or is that not?
So the and symbol you can do that way. You could also add
a second if statement. So if we'll just check for that with the y coordinates.
So that should work.
That should be less than. Well, it's really convenient how it's a circle and not like a rectangle with different like x and y values, because we can just use the radius again. Did I? Yeah.
That should work. Great. So that should be better. So you should be able to fly around it now. Let's see if that works.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Great. So you can fly around it.
Okay, and then I can hit it. Although it's not not.
Do you want to drag this back in the middle so we can kind of see this
a
little bit better?
Okay.
Yeah. So showing you can fly around.
Fly around it.
All right. So there you go.
All right. So we're good there. And then if I do want to, oh, I nearly hit it.
It's kind of. Yeah,
I can totally hit this thing if I try.
Yeah. Right.
That's. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, I hit it.
All right. So you hit it, but it didn't stick.
It didn't stick. Yeah.
So I feel like we're still missing something.
Oh, because it's only transferring the x velocity, isn't it? Because it's not.
Right.
It's not going in the y direction at all.
I mean, you came down like this, so like that blob should be going diagonally, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Right, because in the collision code, we're only changing the x values. Right. So, if we just do this and change everything to y. So Vy blob mass times Vy mass blob times Vy blob. Okay, that's the same. And then Vy equals Vy blob.
Okay. You want to drag it over just to make sure that you can see it?
Yeah.
All right.
No!
You missed it.
Okay, there we go.
There we go. All right.
can't hit a stationary object. I'm good at physics.
Okay.
Promise. Okay.
I think we got it now. The fun thing, you can push the blob around.
Okay, and then you can move away from it.
You can kind of get away. There's another fun thing that you can do. So if you go back to the step by step. So I feel like we got that one figured out.
Yeah, that's good.
Another fun thing you can do is you go in the functions file. Normally, you should never go in the functions file. But this is the one time you're allowed to go to the functions file. So what you want to do is you want to copy this text here.
Into the, okay, so we're going to set the
Control C. And
blob to start at random values.
That's right. We're going to give the blob a random velocity in the x and y direction.
Okay, where are the functions?
So go ahead, hit stop, and drag the thing over again. And what you're going to want to do is, you see this little right caret thing right there? You want to click that. So.
Ooh, functions.
Yeah, functions. And then there's a bunch of stuff in here, but you just go ahead and add it after the focus. The only thing you need to change is the setup function. So.
Oh, setup. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
right, because we
so
wanted to do this at the beginning.
So just go ahead and Control V. Now you're good. You got it.
Okay. And then I guess I'll go back to, or well, I guess, yeah.
So now we can try this out.
Make that nice and big. Okay, so it's moving at a random velocity. And then if I refresh.
We're going to stay on the page.
Oh, okay, maybe not. Maybe not. If I rerun.
Stop and play, yeah. Yep. Every time it's going to go in a different direction.
Gotcha.
Cool.
Okay.
So this is part of the fun of it. You can try to, it makes it for a challenge to try to run in the blob. Sometimes it's easier than others.